Okay, I'll tell you right now, bringing a 3/4 inch Slate 4x6 out of the basement, think twice about it because it's not an easy task. We ended up putting a strap around the center and used a half Q stick to kind of pry up a little bit and lift and hold it. The steps did have rug on it, so that did help. So now we have it on its end. I'm going to back the truck up here and we're going to gently lean it forward and onto the truck and then slide it in. But I'm telling you, it's not light, and it's a task. It's a real task. Okay, and it's a good 3/4 inch. Okay, let's get it on the truck and we'll see how it goes in.